welcome and welcome back to the channel. Of course, today I have a special video premiere featuring one and only Caribbean Doc. I'm sure you guys seen some of his amazing video. Well, today we have a special collaboration. He dropped his first video yesterday, so make sure you go over to his channel and check out that video. So today I have a special video for you guys, yellow rice. For this recipe, I will leave a list below in the description so you can check it out. So if you want to make a recipe, pretty easy, so straightforward. So make sure you subscribe, yellow rice recipe, and also check out his channel. Amazing Caribbean dishes, easy tutorial, pretty simple. Check it out. Caribbean Doc, Cooking with MP, special collaboration. Check it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video recipe. Pretty easy, simple, and straightforward. I hope you made the recipe, and also if you made the recipe, tag me on Instagram, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe both channels. Appreciate it, and also make sure you check out for the next version of the recipe coming.